Hey guys, my name is Dia and today I'm going to share you exact meaning of self-love which I learned from books and thousands of videos on YouTube. So this all my personal definition of self-love. With that, this video is fully non-script video. How you talk to yourself. तुम खुद से कैसे बात करते हो? Firstly, the most important one. How you talk to yourself. तुम अपने आप को जब सुबह उठते हो तो क्या बोलते हो? जब तुम्हें कोई कुछ गलत बोलता है तुम अपने लिए स्टैंड लेते हो या नहीं लेते हो? जब तुमसे कुछ गलत हो जाता है या सिचुएशन तुम्हारी तरह से नहीं चल रही होती, हाउ यू रिएक्ट टू योर सेल्फ. ऑल दिस थिंग मैटर. आई डोंट नो हाउ यू स्पीक टू योर सेल्फ अप टू दिस टाइम, बट फ्रॉम नाउ यू गोना रेस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ. सबसे पहले जब तुम खुद की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करोगे तो तुम ये कैसे सोच रहे हो कि सामने वाला तुम्हें रिस्पेक्ट देगा या सोसाइटी तुमसे अच्छे से बात करे, एवरीवन अप्रिशिएट यू ऑल द टाइम. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अप्रिशिएट यू. नो साइंस ऑल्सो प्रूव्स दैट आवर इनर वर्ल्ड, जो हम अंदर सोचते हैं वही आउटर वर्ल्ड में रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. एंड इन रियल आई एक्सपीरियंस इट. सी, तुम एक ही लाइफ है तुम्हारी, तुम एक ही इंसान हो. अब तुम दूसरों को देख के हमेशा ये बोलते रहोगे कि वो सुंदर है, ये सुंदर है, ये इसका माइंड इतना अच्छा चलता है, इसके पास ये क्वालिटी है, उसके पास ये क्वालिटी है. व्हाट यू हैव एंड एवरीवन हैव क्वालिटी. कब तक दूसरों को अप्रिशिएट करते रहोगे? अप्रिशिएट योरसेल्फ. नॉट एनी सेलिब्रिटी, नॉट एनीवन, जस्ट यू. जस्ट वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ. जस्ट कीप फोकसिंग ऑन योरसेल्फ दैट wow, I have a great lips, wow, I have a great eyes. This is called self-love. This is real self-love. You are mad over you. You are obsessed with you. That's self-love. Write affirmation. Go to the ChatGPT and tell your exact condition to the ChatGPT and it gonna give you your personal affirmation. And if you want me to share that prompt with you, then I will definitely. But you must have to say words to yourself daily. I know affirmation seems dumb in the starting and many people drop there. पर यार एक बार ट्राई करो, 7 दिन के लिए ट्राई करो, बस खुद को सिर्फ अच्छा बोलो. You will come to this video and write in the comment section this really worked because it's my personal experience. Second thing, don't stuck. I'm not saying that you have to accept yourself in this condition. You have to daily work on yourself. You only have to work on yourself. You don't have to think about other people. You don't have to give a shit to anyone. You just have to be you. You just have to be, okay, this is me, this is my life, and I only have to give fuck to me. Okay? This is really matter. Don't be stuck. What I mean with this line, simply accept your every flaws, but अपने फ्यूचर के लिए भी वर्क करो. अपनी लाइफ को बेस्ट लाइफ देने के लिए तुम्हें जो भी करना पड़े करो. अपने लिए तुम्हें कुछ भी करना पड़े करो. इफ़ यू हैव टू चूज हार्ड पाथ, इफ़ यू हैव टू चूज स्मार्ट पाथ. अगर तुम्हें 12-12 घंटे पढ़ना है पढ़ो. अगर तुम्हें 12-12 घंटे जो भी फ्यूचर है तुम्हारा, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, जो भी, यू हैव टू बी work on yourself only focus on yourself. Then you will see that how people around you noticing you, thinking about you, because this is not magic, this is frequency, this is energy that brings, like when you start loving yourself, the one energy inside us become more powerful and it attracts people to us. Like everyone wanted to know that क्या हुआ इसको. And it really works. Frequency, energies, I'm going to share you guys, this really works. And if you come to know the reality of you, that you are the universe, in real you are the universe, I am the universe, you are your own universe, and literally it is the best thing anyone can do is self-love. And the third thing for self-love is just loving the thing you are doing right now. By my personal experience, I did some mistakes in my past related to this quota journey and all. I hate myself at that time. I hate that version of me. But that was my biggest mistake I did. You have to love yourself now. You don't know tomorrow will going to happen or not. So you must have to be love yourself now. So be happy in now. We live in now, not in past. If past come to your mind, then I must say, just say to your mind, that was my past, not my present. And detach from the past. There is lots to tell. Thank you. If you like this video, then you can subscribe.